Mr. Thomas, is there any reason why if your address and phone number were put in a court order that would cause you any harm? If someone,
I don't want nothing. You just harm me. I don't want nothing on no court record.
You don't want your information in a court order? And what is your reason for that?
Because I don't know who's gonna come after me. They charged me $10,000 to get a lawyer. I'm not a female, so I don't get a free lawyer.
Please state your first and last name for the record.
Darryl Thomas.
And counsel for the state.
Mary Ann Warren, Assistant Attorney General for the state of Texas.
Sherry Lewis. She has failed to appear today. Ms. Lewis was served in Lancaster, Texas on July the 9th, 2024. Her return has been on file since July the 11th, 2024. She has not filed an answer to the state's lawsuit. Okay. She stands in default, and counsel for the state, you may proceed with your proposed default.
Okay, and Judge, before I begin, Mr. Thomas wanted to address the court and ask for a reset. The state does not agree, but you may want to hear from him first.
Yes, I do. Yes, sir. You're requesting a reset today?
Yes, ma'am.
And why?
Okay, so it's something going on with at the court who issued I'm going through a custody evaluation right now.
I see that it was dismissed on something was filed. Let's see. On July the 8th, 2024, the case was dismissed by the judge on May the 10th, 2024, the current motion that was brought. So any other reason other than what you're saying regarding the custody?
No, ma'am. What you're looking at that got dismissed, the coordinator is Teresa, I forgot her last name. I talked to Teresa, closed the case out by accident because she says she sent out something way before that and she never sent it to me. So ever since then, she's been saying the case is basically supposed to get back open. She's told me it is open, but it's not showing on file that it's open. I talked to her 2 days ago.
Yeah,
she said,
what happens is, Mr. Thomas, if it's not showing on file, that's what I have to go by. So
yes, ma'am, that's what she said.
Any other, wait one sec.
Oh,
any other reason than what you're arguing right now?
That, and besides, I gotta pay. We were trying to get a lawyer, and I needed because I really, like I said, I don't even supposed to be here right now, even going through this portion right now. But I'm also trying to get a lawyer, so I needed at least another 2 weeks to be able to pay this lawyer, since I have to pay a lawyer, I guess. So that's the reason I wanted a continuation. I mean, a reset.
May I respond, Judge?
You can.
When we were here, August 27th, 2024, he said the same thing, that he wanted that the case should not have been dismissed in district court, and he wanted a chance to get an attorney, and you granted his continuance till today. And so there's the same story.
Yeah, I'm not rich. I don't have no money, so they charged me $10,000 to get a lawyer. I'm not a female, so I don't get a free lawyer. I have to, it's actually expensive.
Well, wait now, Mr. Thomas, you didn't have to throw in you're not a female.
I mean, I'm sorry,
just
but
because you're not a female doesn't mean, one, I wouldn't grant a continuance and or that the female has the money. But
oh, no, I'm just saying they help females out a little. It's actually harder for a guy to get a lawyer. I don't know why, but it is. I don't know why. It's just hard.
So let me make a ruling on your request. It's denied, and you can move forward, counsel, on your default.
Okay. So with that, I will call Mr. Thomas. Please state your name, sir.
Y'all do what y'all got to do, man. I'm going to get off the phone. Y'all going to do it anyway. Man, it ain't no help. You're going to put me on it anyway. Man, Darryl Thomas. Okay. Man, I got to pay child support. I'm not even supposed to be here.
And Mr. Thomas, what is your income each month?
I told you no, I don't have any.
Okay. So do you agree with, well, the state, do you understand the state's going to request that we set child support based on minimum wage?
Yes.
Okay. And with minimum wage, as your in,
So it's actually, so I'm asking the state, so actually, Ms. Warren, are you requesting that the child support go down?
it's set at 0 currently because he
Oh.
was incarcerated
Got it.
previously.
Okay, because, go ahead.
All right, so sir, do you understand we're asking that child support be based on minimum wage?
I don't understand nothing, but
Okay.
yes.
And are you familiar with what's currently in place for medical?
No, I just told you, you said you weren't trying to listen. I know everything that's on the order.
Okay,
That's still open.
So the prior order was for the custodial parent, who's the child's grandmother, to maintain government plan. And are you in agreement with continuing that, where Ms. Lewis would maintain the government plan for medical?
You make the decision. Yes, you just said you got it.
And you understand the state's requesting you pay cash medical in the amount of $113 a month beginning December 1st, 2024.
Yes.
Okay.
You'll get your order though. You'll be taking all this back when they give me the order. So yes.
And if the court gives you credit for the 113, then a minimum wage
Lady. Yes.
your child support would be $209 a month beginning December 1st, 2024.
Yeah, even though this lady told you that this order is still open and you still put me on child support. Yes.
Okay. As of December 30.
Well, I can't wait to talk to the judge.
As of October 31st, 2024, you had an arrears balance of $11,414.29. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
Okay. And the state requests the court to have a judgment against you in that amount in order you to pay that back at $100 a month beginning December 1st, 2024. You understand that, sir, that that's what the state's requesting?
I mean, you can request what you want, but you're going to get a new court order by the day. Yes.
And then as of October 31st, 2024, your medical arrears were $6,413.41. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
And that the state is requesting you pay that back, or you be ordered to pay that back in the amount of $50 a month beginning December 1st, 2024.
I guess, yes.
And Mr. Thomas, is there any reason why, if your address and phone number were put in a court order, that would cause you any harm? If someone,
I don't want nothing. You just harm me. I don't want nothing on no court record.
You don't want your information in a court order? And what is your reason for that?
Because I don't know who's gonna come after me. I just got railroaded by the court system. I don't know who else gonna try to harm me.
Have you had any threats against you by anyone?
Only by this court trying to take my money, and I just told you that it was still open.
And the state requests that the court order Mr. Thomas to pay court costs to the district clerk as billed within 60 days. So and no more questions.
Mr. Thomas.
So this court don't respect the other court.
I'm going to enter the default, but I want you to listen, and I'm going to tell you what you can do. I understand you disagree. I'm going to enter it as proposed. Court costs assessed to you 60 days from today's date. You can appeal my decision. You would have to do that yourself or hire your own private attorney to appeal the decision. You have 3 working days from today's date to do that. Unless a district court judge changes this order, this will be the order of the court. You will receive a copy of this order via your email today, and the other party on the case will as well. This concludes the hearing today. You're free to go and have a good day. Okay, what's next?
Thank you.